I've been in construction for over 35 years. I used to do roofs for 3 years when I was younger. Me and my brother had a company, but it just got too hard on just me and him doing it. But literally, I've been in construction, so I know what I'm doing. We try to keep it up. I've been in sales for 7 years. Oh, I was selling vehicles, and then Greg gave me a call and said, hey, you want to help me sell roofs? Because he knew what I did in vehicle sales, plus my customers in vehicle sales were very loyal to me. And they're loyal to me at roofs too. They give me referrals for their friends and whatever. So Greg knew it was good to try to let me into this business to try to expand brown roof and restoration, which I did and we are. So we're getting to be pretty big size. We're like a month behind on roofs right now. That's how big we are. So if there's anything we can do to help anybody out with insurance or anything, you can give us a call. Brown Roof and Restoration, 270-366-6699.